What we're going to do now, we're going to talk about the equipment we bought. So we bought two kayaks, very different kayaks. In Turkey, you're very limited to choice, so you can only buy what you can get hold of, which is quite difficult sometimes. We've got two kayaks. The first kayak is Lorraine's kayak here. This is a Zegul. It's quite a good maker kayak. It's called a Zegul Ormen. It's for a beginner intermediate, and if you look at the two kayaks together, you can see the very subtle differences. With the Zegul, it's generally designed for beginner intermediate because it's got a chined hull, which gives it good stability. It's got more volume, which gives it a better buoyancy in bigger seas. It's also got a very large keyhole cockpit, which for somebody that's a little bit nervous for getting in and out is a very good thing. It also has a rudder, again for when you're paddling long distances. It does enable you to point the boat in a direction without having to put big sweep strokes in to alter directions. It has a skeg as well, which drops down. The skeg is operated on the other side here. This is the skeg, and you pull this lever and it drops the skeg down underneath. This is the rudders here, and you just basically release the rudder here, if I can get the thing is, and down the rudder goes, and you pull it and up comes the rudder. So it's very simple, but it's a very stable kayak, and I think Lorraine's found it very good to paddle in, haven't you, Lorraine? You found it quite stable. We've been on some longish journeys. We've been doing 12-15 kilometre journeys, and we've had some quite choppy seas, and it seems to perform quite well. Myself, I've bought this Wilderness Systems Tempest 165. It's actually quite a narrow canoe. It's also got a very small cockpit. It's meant for a intermediate advanced paddler. So once you're in the kayak, you really are into it, and you do need to be able to roll to have the type of kayak that this is. This has got 3 hatches on it. It's got a day hatch, and then it's got 2 big storage hatches front and back. The volume's a lot smaller, and I bought this with the hope of being able to go out in the winter and play in the surf. It's quite a bit more stronger in build and a bit more able and nippier to turn on the surf. So that's the kayaks we've bought. We didn't have a lot of choice. Like I say, we looked around various shops, and this was the best that we could come up with. As it happens, they both seem to have worked out very well. Paddles have been a bit interesting. We haven't been able to source decent paddles. We've got these splits, which are okay, but again, they're kind of a bit on the cheap side, so we're still looking around to try and get a better quality paddle. Okay, that's all it is for now, and I'll hand you back to Lorraine.